Dementia is not a single disease. It's an umbrella term for various conditions that severely affect memory, thinking, and social abilities, interfering with daily life. Alzheimer's disease is the most common type, but there are others, such as vascular dementia and Lewy body dementia. Each has unique challenges. Today we're talking about the early signs of dementia. By the end, you'll know 10 symptoms to look out for and when to get professional help. First on the list is memory loss. While occasional forgetfulness is normal, persistent memory loss that interferes with daily life is not. It's not just about forgetting names or appointments, but also events and important dates, or relying heavily on memory aids or others for tasks they once handled independently. For example, if someone frequently forgets what they had for breakfast or misplaces items they just used, it could be a red flag. Second on the list is difficulty completing familiar tasks. Have you noticed someone struggling with tasks they used to do effortlessly? This could include following a recipe, managing bills, or even operating household appliances. They take much longer than usual or abandon the task altogether. Imagine starting to cook dinner but forgetting to serve it. This could be a sign of cognitive decline. Third on the list is communication issues. Dementia can make communication a challenge. Individuals may have trouble finding the right words, following conversations, or completing sentences. They might pause mid-sentence, repeat themselves, or use incorrect words without realizing it. If they seem increasingly frustrated during conversations, it's worth paying attention. Fourth on the list is disorientation and getting lost. Disorientation is another alarming sign. It can appear as confusion about time, place, or familiar environments. Someone might forget where they are or struggle to navigate a place they've been to countless times, like their way home. This can be problematic and dangerous. Fifth on the list is changes in mood and personality. Dementia can bring about noticeable mood swings and shifts in personality. A once outgoing person might become reclusive. Others may experience anxiety, depression, or increased irritability. If you notice these changes without a clear cause, it could signal the onset of dementia. Sixth on the list is apathy and loss of interest. Losing interest in hobbies, activities, or social events is another common symptom. This apathy can appear as emotional flatness or withdrawal from previously enjoyed pastimes. While it might seem like natural aging or tiredness, it's important not to overlook it if the change is significant. Seventh on the list is difficulty with problem solving and planning. Everyday tasks requiring organization or problem solving can become increasingly challenging for someone with dementia. Whether it's managing finances, planning an event, or following a simple recipe, they take much longer or become unable to complete the task. Such struggles could point to early-stage dementia. Eighth on the list is confusion about time and place. Another sign to watch for is losing track of time. A person might confuse morning for evening, forget the day of the week, or lose touch with time. They may even fail to recognize familiar surroundings, which can lead to feelings of fear or frustration. Ninth on the list is sensory issues. Dementia can affect perception, leading to issues with depth perception, balance, or changes in taste and smell. These sensory problems can cause falls or accidents, such as burning themselves while cooking or misjudging steps. These incidents could be signs of an underlying issue. Last on the list is hallucinations and delusions. In some cases, individuals may experience hallucinations, seeing or hearing things that aren't there, or delusions, which involve distorted beliefs about reality. These symptoms, common in conditions like Lewy body dementia, can be distressing for both the individual and their loved ones. Spotting early signs of dementia can make a big difference in managing it and improving life quality. If you or a loved one notice multiple symptoms, see a healthcare professional for a checkup. Some forgetfulness is normal with age, but persistent or disruptive changes shouldn't be ignored. Early diagnosis allows for better care and helps maintain independence and dignity. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, like and share to spread awareness about dementia's hidden signs.